Hello all my friends and firework enthusiasts. This is my another video on the Sony firework company 3-inch shell. This one is called Magic Crystal. It didn't impress me much, but I did like the pink color. It was very strong and the effect was quite simple. So if anybody willing to try a firework shell which is pink color, should go for this. And this was a bit pricey, but I think that it wasn't worth my money because the effect wasn't that big or great. Well, it's a good shell and please enjoy my video. So here you go, Magic Crystal by Sony Vinayaga firework 3-inch shell. And I just want to tell everybody the video is kind of blurry. I apologize for that, but please enjoy. The firework shell has a pink color.